Hey, so these are some new floor mats for the new Dacia Spring. They're made by Rigum from Rimi. Also a trunk floor mat. They feel really nice and good. They're smooth. They got a nice ridge to keep the dirt in. Not too big, so it's not to be obtrusive. They feel like good quality rubber. They're nice and pliable. They're not too stiff. It's a good design. Nice and simple, also pretty affordable. Okay, let's install them. Okay, let's install them in the Dacia Spring. So this goes in like that. It has these two tabs here that you just puncture the floor mat. Okay, it fits really nicely. As I said, it has a nice edge that catches water or dirt. It's really good. Okay, let's install the other ones. This is the passenger side. You just lay this one in. It's a really good fit all the way around. This doesn't have these two tabs and looks good. And this is in the back. Again, it goes right in. Fits really good. Nice, soft, pliable rubber. Good fit, good look, nice and simple. The back trunk area. Again, a really good fit. Looks good, very functional in the trunk. Fits all the way around, nice edge all the way around. Very affordable too. Love it. Okay, so I'll leave a link to these products. I really like them. Hope this helps. Bye.